Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Three Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany and today I'm in my girls' bedroom getting it all cleaned up. Prior to filming this, they had been sick for a few days, so I really wanted to get in here, wash all of their bedding, get everything wiped down and sanitized so we could get rid of these icky germs. As you're going to see, we're starting off in the daytime, but then we're going to time jump to the evening. We did run some errands, and so I just came back to it once we got back home. So if you're in need of some peaceful cleaning motivation, go ahead, turn that music up, and let's get this thing started. So this space for now is shared by our two daughters, ages 8 and 3. And this bunk bed was actually gifted to us by our sister-in-law a few years ago when I was pregnant with my youngest daughter. And we were thinking of ways that we could have them share this space. It used to be more of a brown wood color, but we actually spray painted it white. And while this thing is such a great storage solution, it is not the most friendly when it comes to actually making the bed, taking any of the bedding off to wash it. As you can see, I have to jump, climb, and pull my way just to be able to get everything off, but it's okay, we make it happen. This bed can be a major dust collector if you let it build up, so I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down with some wood cleaner before going back over it with a Lysol wipe. So if you are new to my channel, I just want to introduce myself. I am Tiffany, and on this channel I do home decor, cleaning, DIY, and organization with a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled here and there. So my husband and I, we share 3 young children and a dog, and so we like to keep our home beautiful, but at the same time we want it to be simple, livable, and enjoyable. So if you're liking what you see so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We'd love to have you all here. And for those of you who are joining me again this week, thank you so much for coming back again to watch me. It means so much to me, and I hope that everyone is having a wonderful year. So my oldest daughter absolutely loves to draw, and she used to draw in this little built-in desk all of the time. So you can see all of the evidence right here with the marker that has bled through the paper, the pen stains and everything. But that is okay, y'all. They are only little once, and this is her space to create. So I'm gonna leave it with that. So my husband and I try to instill in our children from a very young age the value of cleaning up behind themselves. And so usually when I'm cleaning up their spaces, you won't see me actually cleaning up their toys because that is their responsibility. However, I will come in and just sort, organize, dust, vacuum, all of those sorts of things when it comes to their spaces. And as they get older, we'll start handing off more of those responsibilities to them as well. Our 3-year-old has to fall asleep with every single last one of these stuffed animals, and if one of them are missing, she knows and will definitely ask for it by name. So for us, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is definitely a much needed staple in this home. I use them for everything. I use them on the walls to get rid of the kids' fingerprints. I use them to clean the bathtubs and the sinks just to get the extra grime out. So we definitely use a lot of these. Now, I have heard that these don't work quite so well on flat finishes as far as walls go, but we do have eggshell throughout our home and have not had any issues. So I would definitely recommend that you test it out on a small section of your wall before using it on a bigger section. So we are eating dinner super late tonight. It's after 7 o'clock. And so I'm going to just be preparing something that's really quick. I'm going to be making shrimp fajita bowls. This is super convenient and easy to make. I'm currently on a pescatarian diet. I've been on it for about 5 months now. Now, we normally do this every so often, just when I get in periods where I don't really feel like eating other types of meat. But this is the longest stretch that we've ever been on, and I'm just taking it day by day and just going on what I actually want to eat. But for me, it's just all about like a healthier lifestyle, right? So for this, I've marinated our shrimp in some oregano, garlic powder, cumin, and chili powder. And while I'm marinating that, I've got my green and red bell peppers and onions going on ahead and frying. And then I'm just also going to be making a side of cilantro rice with it. So for it, as you can see, I just used some long grain wild rice, and then I mixed up some cilantro and lime juice and poured that into the rice and let that sit for a bit. And now I've just added my marinated shrimp back to my pan, and I'm going to go ahead and cook that up. For the sauce, I'm just mixing some sour cream, mayonnaise, sriracha, and lime juice, and we're going to drizzle that all over the top of it, y'all, and it's going to be so good. You can add whatever toppings that you want for this, but like I said, it's super quick and easy to make, and it is a hit in this household. We love this, along with fish tacos is another one of our favorite staples. But that is going to be everything for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed today's cleaning motivation. And if you tried the recipe, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more recipes from what we eat on our pescatarian diets, let me know and I'll include more of those. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all have a very wonderful week. I will see you all next time, and be blessed.